Hello everybody, welcome to Baked Baking. Today, two things get baked, muffins and meat. Our cream cheese filling is going to be cream cheese and sugar. I'm kind of following a recipe because I'm kind of shit at baking, but yeah, so we're gonna have cream cheese and sugar, and we're gonna whip it, and we're gonna freeze it, and while it's freezing, we're gonna make batter for muffins. Save it for later. This is my whisk. I don't know that it's gonna go through this cream cheese very well. You can't see it on camera. We need now a cup of sugar. I don't know why I'm using that towel. I have a towel right here. I threw sugar all over my hand. About a cup. About a cup. Okay. For a better angle, here's our cream cheese and cup of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. All right. Let's put a bit of pumpkin pie seasoning. Pumpkin pie spice. It says not to. Well, it doesn't say not to, but it doesn't say to. But and a splash of vanilla. It also doesn't say to do this. Another recipe I was looking at, it said it to do it, so we're gonna do a half teaspoon. All right. I'm just gonna break it up real quick. Oh. This is not gonna work. I need a fork. This might take a while. Also, quick shout out. I got this at a bagel class I did in Montreal. It was very fun. The host was very nice. This is coming together now. I also want it known I'm a bad baker. I don't really bake. I do cook. I do like cooking. And I would consider myself a pretty good cook. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm a pretty good cook, but baking, it's not my thing. I'm not very good at it. So, we'll see how this comes out. I'll be honest, that looks really good. Fun fact, this is called Saran wrap. It was named after the creators' kids, Sarah and Anne. So it means Sarah Ann wrap. Saran. It's stupid and I love it. See, you get all the knowledge with baked baking. This is a professional show. Better than the Cooking with Jack show. Alright, fam. What's good? We've had hoop number 2. And we're ready for round 2. Which is, microwave a cup of butter. Chat, that's a lot of butter. That's a lot of butter. There's no way that's a cup. That's a cup of butter. I'm starting this with a knife. This is resourceful. Saves on water. We're in a water restriction, believe it or not. Miss Mayor doesn't want us using water. I haven't showered in 8 years. Can you believe it, chat? I know it doesn't look like it. There is oil. There's a cup of butter. Oh!
Did you drop it on the ground?
Fuck! Oh my god! I've never caused such a scene before. Look! Oh my god! I'm devastated.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Whoops. Well, it's a good thing we had an extra egg, I suppose. I suppose it wouldn't be episode 1 of Baked Baking if we didn't cause a fucking scene right in the middle of cooking everything. And I've got Lysol all over my hands. I'm gonna have to wash them again. Okay. Egg number 2. Take 2. So, we're doing a cup of butter because I don't have vegetable oil So I'm doing 1 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of olive oil. You shouldn't really use olive oil in baking. I eyeballed that. I eyeballed that cut, and we pretty much, I mean, that's all the butter, but we pretty much hit that straight on the money. It's just over a cup. I went just under because we were just over, so I just hope that balances out. I'll take a little bit more. I like pumpkin, and it'll probably make it a little more moist, maybe. Am I causing a scene again? Damn. Looking at me like I exist. Let's mix it on low, please. It's actually working. So we need three cups of flour. It says teaspoon of everything, so I'm just gonna eyeball these ones. We'll go a little heavy on the pumpkin pie spice, because I like it. And also a little heavy on the cinnamon, even though I know there's a little in there. Probably good. And I've got allspice. I'm just gonna put a pinch of this. Get some of the aromas from that. And we'll give that a gentle whisk. Just to get the sweet seasonings mixed. And then we need, apparently, a whole fucking teaspoon of salt. Oh no, we still need a teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking soda. I checked, it's 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Spot fucking on, lads. Baking is fun when you realize how much sugar everything has. Here's what the wets look like. Not very wet. Keep it on low. Let's spoon this in bit by bit, brick by brick. I'm gonna poke this one more time with the fork. It actually is looking very good now. I take back everything I said, recipe. Even your American units. Here's what it's looking like. Looking very good, actually. I think it looks kind of yellow on camera. I don't know why. It's very orange in person, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's pretty thick. I'm gonna be my little helper today, mister. Gonna be my little helper today, mister. He's gonna fucking get me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's gonna fucking get me. Oh, he's gonna fucking get me. Oh, he's gonna fucking get me. Oh. I'm running out of storage on my phone, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. But I'm gonna melt a little more butter. We've got the muffin tins in the oven, just warming up, so you know the muffin can cook evenly as it heats up. I'm gonna take off like maybe just another small chunk of butter, and we're gonna heat that up in the microwave till it's soft. Put butter in the muffin liners so that the muffins don't stick when we pull them out, hopefully, in theory. So now I'm gonna take some sugar, and we're gonna make like a pumpkin spice sugar. So we're gonna do 5 spoons worth of sugar, and we're gonna have some pumpkin spice seasoning. Perfect. And that's what we're gonna be dusting on top of our muffins at the end. All right, pumpkin muffins, they're going in. All right, we just took them out of the oven. Ooh, they're looking good. I'm gonna put the last touch, which is a sprinkle of butter on each. Not that it needs more butter, but it'll help everything stick. These look pretty wet in the middle. They might need longer. This is our pumpkin sugar that we need, just because you can never have too much sugar, can you? Damn. We got the muffins out. I took one tray out already. It's in the sink. So we have these ones cooling right now. These ones just came out a little while after. I kind of over poured them, so they're a little ugly, but it's fine. And we don't have a cooling rack, so I'm using cutting boards. But once they're cool, I will do the taste test. Yummers. I'm gonna film this part because this is gonna go very wrong very soon if I'm not careful. So, what are you laughing at? You gonna laugh when I drop this fucking muff? It's another word for vagina, if you didn't know. So that's funny in two ways, actually. You can laugh again now that the joke has been explained. The tops are pretty firm, the bottoms are pretty squishy, so I'd rather have all the pressure be on the tops. They're already ugly anyway. It's going well. So far, no catastrophes. Fingers crossed. Hot. I'm kind of just raw dogging these. They're fresh out the oven, so oh no! I ripped them in half. Oh my god. Just fucking bisected them. Oh dear. It's like a Reese's cup.
Why not let them cool with the thing on?
Because this way it's really easy to get the thing off. And then we can eat them in like 10 seconds. Alright. Official taste test, here we go. Yeah. Cheers. Oh my god.
That was really good.
Oh my days up.
Wow.
Baked baking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Those were fucking great, I think. I'm doing this before I record the taste test. Fuck it. Like and subscribe. Bye.